Okay, guys. So I don't know what is wrong with these big dinosaur men, okay, preying on these little girls. All right? The same big man that helped me to cross the road safely when I'm going to primary school is the same big man when I start high school telling me how much him like me, him, him want to take care of me, him have something to give me something to come check him, and nobody not have to know this, that, blah, blah, blah. Now, I know that this doesn't just happen in Jamaica, it happens all over the world, right? But it's been going on too long in the Jamaican society. Yes, too long. Why this big old dinosaur man think it's okay? And the little young girl, them, they don't understand. Because them, them puberty, they in their little prime, them, themselves, them feel like them so pretty. Everything's all about them. Everybody in the room is looking at them. And these big dinosaur men, they know that. They know that they want to hear all these little nice sweet lies. So them tell them. That's how you can find the schoolgirls them with all these bus drivers and taxi drivers. When I was in Jamaica going to high school, I not say taxi man neither look me, but me say, me have a mother way bigger than the dinosaur man them. Me say, me afraid of my mother. So you see when them the kind of man they look me run. Me run like thief. Me no look. You hear me? Because me remember one time a taxi I passed the yard, this guy saying, taxi man same like me. And me I tell her say him look over there and him honk. And my mother say, look like she say, who him a honk? Cause I can't you. I can't you. Me know say I know me, but I can't you. You understand? So me did afraid. Me not talk to them, the kind of people them. You understand? Me try to stay on the straight and narrow way. But some of these parents turn a blind eye just because of greed, just because of money. You understand? Me tell you say poverty is a real crime. Just because they know say if she go, you watch the Dinosaur movie there where every minute he said look what we go buy sugar because the girl want to talk to her now about the man where come, the big uncle there, blah blah blah. And she know it not right, She know it not right, but she still encourage it. No, it's right, man. Just go on, whatever, you don't have to do nothing. But you know something will happen. Some of these parents have put them in them out there because what? No food in the house. They can't afford to send them to school. That's what I tell us say. Poverty is a crime when they don't have it. Because this is where these big dinosaur men take advantage of these people, of these young girls. Right? And some of the time, I'm not really poverty. Some of the time, as me say, look, young girl, them just feel like saying, the world surround them, the world revolve around them, and I just feel them time. It's just what them I go through, they don't understand. They're not mature enough. Right? But these men know better, but they don't do better. I mean, not gonna lie. Some of these schoolgirls, them very prime, the 14 and 15-year, and them a come and look some big man were bigger than them age, But what the big man them need to do is say, go sit down. You understand? Go take up your book and put on your head way bigger than you. That is what they need to tell them. You have to be the adult. You have to know when to be an adult. Because look at schoolgirl them these days. They don't want no schoolboy. Because them ask the schoolboy money don't pay on Friday. You understand? But it's you now. No fear promise them and tell them say you got this, that. No. You have to know when to be an adult. Our kids are the future. Some of these people call themselves man of God. And them are pray upon the little. You understand? And them are pray upon the little young girls them too. It's not right. It's not right. You understand? You can't be a big, respectable, honored man and have your name a call up and get accused with look 14 and 15-year-old. Like, because, over here, sometimes you see little 14, 15-year-old and you think them are 20 or 18 or so, they look older. Because I don't know if it's the food or whatever, but them body just way bigger. You understand? Some of them look bigger than me. Look more mature than me. Right? But if you talk. You know what me find out since me grew up? I see that people might look big and this and that, but sometimes when you sit down and you listen and you see people, you hear them talk, you say, oh, no, she's not as old as me think she be. So you must have sense, man. Nobody don't jump in a bed with people where you don't know their age and this. You will get yourself in a trouble. You understand? Me not say you can't make an honest mistake and say, oh, me did think she or whatever, but you need to find out. You need to find out. You can't just say he look nice and that's it. And you don't know if this person is underage because too much of this is happening. So to the big dirty dinosaur man them who keep on doing this, me I ask them to stop it. Stop it. Go look on the age. And stop prey upon the little young girls them. Okay? Too much teenage pregnancy. Too much dropouts. You understand? Even though, big up on a positive note, a lot of these girls, when me know, when drop out of school and this and that, right now, them are come up with them masters and them 2 kids, them masters and them 3 kids. Big up, enough respect. But, you know, it's just so much harder to get to where you're going because you have all these other assignments. Do you understand? So, as I said before, the kids are our future. And we just want us to just look out. When you see these little girls, think of your daughter, think of your niece, you know, like, if it, you know, just think about, like, the harm that you are going to cause, right? Think with this one. This are head upper top, not the head down a bottom. Think with this are head upper top. Because some of you guys do this and throw away your life for the rest of your life. One time, and you're gone to prison for the rest of your life. So was it really worth it? Let us protect our children, people. Let us protect the future. Let us protect our future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.